Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix archived stories not working or missing on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram application, tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner. In the profile section, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Settings and privacy will open. In the settings and privacy, tap on the archive option. On the next screen, you will see that by default, posts archive category is selected at the top. Tap on it and you will see the option of Stories Archive in the drop down menu. From here you can simply view your archived stories, but if you don't find the Stories Archived option here, then come back to the Post Archived screen and tap on the three dots available at the top. After that, tap on the Settings option. Look for the Save Story to Archive option, toggle it off, and after waiting for a few seconds, turn it on again. Now return to the archive section and tap on drop down at the top to select the Stories Archive option. You will find your archived stories here, and this is how you can fix archived stories not working or missing on Instagram.